Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use Zend Server's Page Cache feature in Zend Server 6. Page caching is used to speed up recurring executions of PHP scripts in your application. This is achieved by caching the PHP output, the HTML, for specific URLs on first execution, to reuse the cache data for subsequent calls. Cache behavior is defined using a flexible rule system that allows you to maintain the dynamic capabilities of your applications. I'm using a popular e-commerce app written in PHP called Magento, in this case deployed on a Zend Developer Cloud container. Here we can see a product catalog page, and we could really get a performance boost if we cache these catalog pages. So let's have a closer look at the URL and see what we can do with it. We can see that the product catalog pages under electronics all have the string electronics in them, with a dynamically generated identifier after that for each item. So in the Zend Server user interface, I'm going to navigate to the Applications Caching Rules page. On this page, I'm going to hover over the rules group belonging to my application and create a new caching rule by clicking the New Rule button on the right. For this rule, which I'll name Product Listings, I'll use a regular expression so that all listings will be cached regardless of the ending of the URL. Now, I need my caching rule to be clever. I don't want to use the cached page if there's a logged in user, or if there are any items in the shopping cart, since in those cases the pages may be different. Both of these cases are tracked to the PHP session, so I can add conditions to handle them. Now, I want to create separate cache entries for every distinguished query string, meaning that for every category page, an item will be created in the cache so I can get the best performance. So I'm going to click Multiple Versions, select the Separate Cache Entries option, and configure the query string. I can also set the lifetime for cached items. After finishing to define the rule conditions, I'm going to save it and restart Zend Server. Back on the caching rules page, I can see my new rule added to the Magento rule group. Now that I've set up page caching per item, successive page views of the same product for non-logged in users should be much faster. That's it for now. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any ideas for improving Zend Server 6 that you'd like to share with the Zend Server team, please don't hesitate to contact Zend. For more detailed information on working with caching and additional features of Zend Server 6, please refer to the online documentation at www.zend.com.